Clay is a sticky soil with few sand grains, and it has good plasticity because water is not easy to pass through it. It can be pressed and granulated. The performance of the clay ball press affects the stable operation of the ball press. So how to detect the performance of the clay ball press? First, the sensory inspection method, a method to identify the technical status of the ball press only by the intuitive feeling of the inspector, and the inspectors are required to have rich experience. Second, tool inspection method. Inspection work is carried out with instruments and tools. Due to the different principles and types of instruments and tools, it can be divided into general measuring tools, special measuring tools, ball press instruments and meters, optical instruments, electronic instruments, and so on. Third, physical inspection method. This is a method of using electrical, magnetic, light, sound, heat, and other physical quantities through the changes caused by the workpiece to detect the technical status of the clay ball press.